So here we are, we're going to replace our smoke detector. The first thing we're going to do is left twist to untwist it, then grab that connector, pinch it tight, and pull off that connector. Next, grab your screwdriver, put it on the screws, loosen those screws a little bit so you'll be able to twist that bracket clean off. Go ahead and twist it off, pop it off, and now you have access to all the wiring underneath. One I have is expired. They're only good for about 8 years since this is a combination smoke and CO2 alarm. This one also comes with a hardwire adapter so it can fit the 3 different types of adapters. And total these things are kind of expensive. It's $56. You'll notice in the packet I have 3 different types of adapters that fit the common ones and a hardwire, or 2 adapters and 1 hardwire, excuse me. That's the version that we'll need. So we'll just use that one version of the clip, the one adapter, plug it in, which we'll show in a second here. Very easy. Just clip it on. Oh, first we do our bracket. Well, either way. First do our bracket. Go ahead and screw the bracket down tight. Not too tight so it doesn't snap. You don't want that. You just want it snug. Connect the bracket or our adapter to the plug. Then before we put it up, we're going to actually put the batteries in and test the smoke alarm. Put it in the right order, clip it shut, and it should fire up.
Monoxide and smoke alarm. No location programmed. To select location, press and hold test button now. Press and hold test button to test unit. Testing. Warning. Evacuate smoke. Evacuate. Evacuate. Carbon monoxide, evacuate.
Now that we're done testing our smoke alarm, it's working good, batteries are in. We're going to take our clip into the back of the new smoke alarm, like so. Slip the wires up into the hole, making sure not to bind anything, and they'll fit up there nice and snug. And twist your smoke alarm in place, making sure that it's firmly in place on both sides and it's actually twisted on correctly. So that's it. That's installing a new smoke alarm combination CO2 alarm. If you have any questions, comments, leave them in the comments and like and subscribe. Thanks.